Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're whipping up a delightful dish, Sichuan-Style Ginger Chicken. Let's dive in. Start by dividing green onions into white and green parts, the whites into segments, and finally chop the greens. Slice up some fresh ginger. Get those chicken thighs cleaned up, cut open and flattened. Lay down a bed of ginger slices in the pressure cooker. Gently place the chicken thighs skin side down. Add more ginger, the white parts of the green onions, and a dash of cooking wine. Pressure cook for a good 30 minutes. While that's cooking, let's craft the sauce. In a bowl, blend the green onions, minced garlic, chili powder, and sesame seeds. Heat up some oil until it's sizzling. Toss in some Sichuan peppercorns. Wait for them to turn black. Then turn off the heat and pour that fragrant oil into the bowl. Once the chicken thighs are done, carefully transfer them into a plate. Pour in the luscious chicken broth. Time to elevate the flavors with soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and a pinch of salt. And now, generously pour this flavor-packed sauce over the chicken. Voila! Sichuan-Style Ginger Chicken Delight is served. Give this recipe a try and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.